There may be times when you may receive an addendum to the background image that you have in a job, and you may want to compare the addendum image to the original image by overlaying the addendum over the top of the original background image. To achieve that, it's what the Edge calls image overlay. You'll go to either the scenarios breadcrumb or sections or the pages breadcrumb and go to the icon to go to the image manager, and that will allow you to import the addendum image. Click add image and navigate to the addendum image. What you're not going to do is create a new page. You don't need to do that. You're just importing the new image. You're just going to click continue. So now you have the original image and the addendum image. We're going to go forward on the original image here by clicking the forward arrow. Now we want to overlay the addendum image over the top of the original, so we're going to click overlay over here on the left, and that opened this pane on the right to allow you to compare the addendum image to the original. We're going to click on the addendum image and then click compare. Now it is comparing the addendum to the original image. The markings on the original image are in red. The markings on the addendum image are in blue. You may need to align the two images if they're not quite aligned properly. There is an alignment tool here you would click. This one is aligned perfectly, so I don't need to align this. If you want to save this overlaid image as an image by itself, you'll fill in this Save New Image, give it a name, Overlaid Image, and click Save. And it has saved this image as an image by itself, and in the job you can, on the takeoff screen, replace the original image with the overlaid image by clicking on either conditions or the page description on the bid tree and choose the image, the overlaid image that you created. So that is how to use image overlay in the Edge. Thank you for watching.